to always to remember. Wanted to be part of my dream.
I was lonely without you. I was a cold, sexless statue, alone. Being with you made me complete.
I can feel your love and touch inside me.
I can hear you whisper your words just close to me.
Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right.
Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight.
Can't let go. You call me, don't you know?
You call me, don't you know?
Wow.
Wow, just wow.
Para sa akin, ito ang pinaka-best duelo. Okay. So
Sa
far,
season na to, yeah.
ngayong season na ito.
I
Oh
agree.
my God. Anong masasabi nyo, mga kaawit bahay? I-comment nyo na yan sa comment section. Grabe. Like, parang
Goosebumps.
Air Supply at Bon Jovi.
Collab.
Collab. Like, OMG talaga. Nabaliw ako dito. Ewan ko na lang nakita nyo kung naaning dito. Kasi, ganyan yung mga genre ko. So, I understand. Sobrang na-amaze ako. Lalo na kay sa kanilang dalawa actually. Kasi, plakadong-plakado si John Leo sa pagiging Air Supply. Air Supply yung song eh. So, parang recorded. Parang siya talaga yon. And then, eto naman si Ansari. Sobrang, alam mo yung feeling Nico na parang hindi niya kaya, pero kaya niya.
Alam mo yung habang nakikinig tayo, napapaganoon ka, para kang napapakapit. Na parang, tapos every time na nagaganon na yung yung dulo, para may ganong basta kanina dalawa sila, kinikilabutan ako kada kumakanta sila, nagbabatuan saka nagsasabay.
Yeah, and fun fact no, naglaban na sila before sa ibang singing competition.
Ooh.